Welcome to the Spartan machinery, where every machine leaves a legacy. In a competitive industry, standing out means delivering more speed, more strength, more stability. Spartan machines are designed to outperform, in the field, on the floor, and on your bottom line. With adaptive brick-size technology, automated raw material feeding, and industry-leading cycle time, our systems produce blocks that speak volumes about quality and consistency. With 24/7 service support, training programs, and performance optimization, we don't just sell machines. We build long-term success stories. For those who want to lead the market, not follow it, Spartan is the only name you need. Machines that deliver, machines that last, machines that make a mark.